Hey guys, do you also get confused? When do we use the where clause and when do we use having in SQL? Trust me, it's super simple. Let's get into the data and help you know how. So on the screen, you see a BigQuery data. For example, I've taken employee salary data which has employee name, department and the salary that they're taking. Starting with the where clause is used wherein you would want to filter out the data based on certain conditions. Let's say in this example we want to see who all are the employees who are getting salary more than 60,000. So for that we will quickly get into our code and we'll do a select star from our data where salary is greater than we want to see 60,000. And the result that we get is these two employees. So David Lee and Mark Johnson are the employees who are getting salary more than 60,000. To double check, I'll quickly get into my raw data and I'll see. Let's just sort out the data by salary. And I can quickly see that more than 60,000 is just Mark Johnson and David Lee, right? So here, Linda Wilson, they are making exactly 60,000, but in our code, we had greater than 60,000. Hence, this person was not included in our result. It was just Mark Johnson and David Lee. Make sense? Now let's get into the next clause, that is having clause. So having clause is used whenever we want to filter out our data within these categories or groups. So for example, in this data, the category or group is department, finance, HR, IT, sales. So let's say, imagine a scenario where we want to see which are the departments who are paying their employees an average salary higher than 60,000. So here we are looking at aggregation but within groups. So filter out the data but within groups or category. How we do that? We get into the code again, and here since we want to group by department, we'll do this, and we are talking about average salary. So we do an average salary, we take it from our data table, we do a group by over the department, and we do a having of average salary greater than 60,000. Once we do this, we'll see that the department who are paying their employees an average salary over 60,000 are IT and finance, which are like 62,500 and 60,500 respectively. Let's double check that. When we get into the raw data, we see that the finance, the average would be around 60. That makes sense. For the HR data, it's the maximum is 58,000. So this will not be considered in a higher salary. IT, this can be because it's between 60,000 and 65,000. So averages will be over 60,000. Sales, no. So the answer that we got here for the average salary over 60,000 makes sense. This brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, please hit a like button. Leave your questions, comments, any queries or any topics you would want me to cover in the upcoming videos in the comment section. Subscribe to stay tuned to the upcoming content and have a great day. Thank you.